Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View in association with Petzl. Some fresh snowfalls are on the way and a rather messy weather situation into the weekend. Friday sees a fine day across most of the Highlands, some sunshine, some patchy banks of cloud and some fog in and around some of the glens early in the day. One or two local showers and snow flurries near to some coasts in the far northwest. Otherwise it is dry. We'll see a strengthening easterly wind though, especially across the southern portions of the Highlands, quite gusty near to some western coasts as well, lighter winds further north over the Highlands. For England and Wales, we have a centre of low pressure just gradually making its way northwards, this bringing some extensive hill snow across the Pennines into the Lake District, that all advancing northwards as time is going on during the day. Some showers across Wales will have snow and hail mixed in as well. Let's run that sequence through the daytime, and Wales starts the day with some heavy snowfalls across the hills, rain or sleet really just down in the valleys at this stage. That area will move north across England as mentioned, starting off dry though across the Lake District and much of the northern Pennines in the morning. Still a degree of uncertainty on how quickly that front does push north, but it is likely to set in with some snow persistent over the Pennines and into the Lake District through the afternoon. Heading toward the evening time, that pushing further into the Cheviots and into the southern uplands as we go after dark into the evening. Friday night starts to see some of that snow turn up in the south and eastern parts of the Highlands, as well as that feature continues to rotate its way northwards. Temperatures will be staying cold throughout the weekend, the freezing level barely above 600 or 700 metres by day, so the snow that falls will very much stay on the ground. This is a snapshot of the situation by the middle of Saturday and shows that lying snow across many areas. The least of the fresh snow falls toward the west of Scotland, but even here there is snow on the ground from recent times. Taking the sequence onwards into the weekend and the messy weather situation, all driven by a broad zone of low pressure continuing to circulate around. One zone of snowfall across the Highlands from overnight, continuing to affect more northern parts, most likely early on Saturday morning. That fading out to just leave some flurries, those most frequent across more eastern and southern portions of the Highlands, here most prone as well to lingering banks of low cloud. Low cloud may be fairly extensive across the Highlands, some breaks toward the west with a generally easterly airflow direction. Low pressure over England and Wales, driving areas of showers, maybe something a bit more organised circulating around as well, back into Wales, up into the Pennines, with some hill snow very much in the mix here. Some heavier showers may contain hail as well, all moving around slowly with light winds in this part of the world. And generally light winds will take us onwards into Sunday as well, and there's the potential at least for another zone of more persistent snow to circulate around the system into eastern Scotland overnight into early Sunday. That very uncertain at this stage, but at least gives that risk of some further snowfalls in the forecast, just pushing across Scotland from east to west during the daytime. Some further flurries may well just drift around slowly, very sketchy with local detail, generally not amounting to a great deal for Sunday daytime. There will be some places which stay broadly dry. If you do stay dry, you have a chance of getting the cloud to break up and give some sunshine. If you hang on to a few flurries, more likely to stick with lingering banks of low cloud. Again, the wind though is very light for most, and temperatures do stay cold, sub-zero across all the high tops. All looking very wintry then over the mountains for the weekend ahead. That is your Fleeting View in association with Petzl. Thanks for watching.